Welcome to the personal property tour for 7 Graham Crescent in the Mount Fleury area of Leven. This is a spacious 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got off-street parking for a couple of cars, you've got lovely garden area to the rear as well, and you've got a recently renovated shower room too, as well as 2 really great sized bedrooms. This is in a Cul-De-Sac as well, so it's in a great location. You're not coming in here unless you're living or you're visiting. And actually right on your doorstep as well is Mount Fleury Primary School, so that's a real big plus. As well as that, you're a few minutes walk and you're to Diageo. So if you work and live here and you've got a young family, this is a fantastic location for you. It is the personal property tour. All of the details about the property are in the link above, along with the all important price point. But I'm taking you on the tour. Let's go and have a look. This is the property here. So as you can see, it's semi-detached. You've got access to your side garden. You've got the off-street parking that I mentioned earlier. You've got a really lovely big timber garage at the bottom too. But it is in a cul-de-sac, as you can see, and the primary school is literally just at the end of the road. So if you've got a young family, that's a great spot, isn't it? Right, let's go on in then. It really does offer some nice space, this property. So as we come into the lower hallway, so you can easily offload your shoes, etc. And we're going to start upstairs. So upstairs we've got 2 bedrooms and a shower room. And it's a nice slit landing as well. It feels lovely and open because you've got that nice big window there too, so a lot of natural light coming in. You've also got access to your attic space as well. So we're going to head on into bedroom number 1. It's a really good sized double, as you can see. You've got plenty of space for hanging, shelving, storage, and all of this freestanding furniture as well. You can see just how large the room is. And there's also some cupboard space here as well. But it's a great space. Overlooks the front as well. But a nice size double. If I come across here, you can see just how much room you have. It's a great size, isn't it? And that's bedroom number 1. We then have bedroom number 2, just right next door. Again, generous double. Overlooks the rear garden. You've got cupboards here as well for storage. But you can see all this floor space that you have. Really good sized rooms. It overlooks the rear, as you can see. Decent sizes, aren't they? And that's bedroom number 2. We'll come back out into the hallway and we'll head into the shower room. So as I mentioned earlier, this has recently been renovated. I love the black radiator, nice finish throughout. Trim's lovely too. I love the towels, the hangers, like taps at the top. It's a great idea. So you've got this lovely big double walk-in shower. You've got your rainfall shower head, your thermostatic control. You've got space here as well for some cabinet storage. It's a nice size and lovely flooring as well. And that's your shower room. We're going to head back downstairs. And as we come down, you can see you've got your entrance area here. So again, great for the kids, just offload the shoes, etc. We're then going to head into the lounge. Good space. You've got this nice bay window as well, just gives you that extra bit of room. You've got this feature fireplace with shelving and storage. It's a lovely sized room. And as you can see, you've got a double sofa here. There is also the double sofa there too, so it's quite a big room, isn't it? And you've got a great cupboard in here, so it's currently used as a foot locker, so fantastic for shoes and things. If you've got a young family again, it's a real bonus to have that extra storage, isn't it? But really nice sized room. We're going to head now into the kitchen. So to come into the kitchen, quite high ceilings actually. Plenty of space for freestandings, as you can see. You've got all your cabinetry on this side wrapped around here and over here. But the real big bonus with this kitchen as well is this utility room. I love the pulley. But you've got this extra space as well that's got your freestanding with your fridge, etc. You've got storage here as well. On top of that, you've got a really big cupboard in there as well. But actually, obviously you'd need to seek the necessary planning, but how fab would it be to open that up? And how big it would make this kitchen. You'd have a lovely, really social kitchen space, wouldn't you? Because that's quite a big room in there. And if you opened that up into the kitchen and made it all open plan, that would be really nice, wouldn't it? We're going to head out into the garden. And as we come into the garden, again, you'll see you've got lots of social space in the garden. So you've got a patio area to the top with where the barbecuing takes place. You've got this lovely outhouse and bar area. You've got a really nice decked area here too. And it's got this awning over the top as well, so that's grand if the weather's a bit yuck. You've got your drying area there as well. You've got a nice seating area here. You're not really that overlooked apart from up here, so there's nothing really at your sides, which is great. And if I come round here, you can see you've got all of this additional area as well for seating, and that was your access that you saw at the beginning. So you've got your bin store area over here, you've got a wood store area there. But actually a real big bonus as well is this timber garage, isn't it? That's a real good add-on, and you can see just how wide the garden is from that. You've got all that extra additional space there too. It's a lovely outside space. And if I come down here, you can see it really does. It's quite a nice long garden. But this outside space is really nice as well. Some nice touches, isn't there? And then that's the property obviously from the rear. So just to recap, this is 7 Graham Crescent in the Mount Fleury area of Leven. As you've seen, it's a 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got off-street parking for a couple of vehicles. You've got this lovely timber garage in the garden as well. You've got this awning and decked space. You've got nice patio areas that recently renovated as well. Shower room's a big plus as well. And with the necessary planning, as I mentioned earlier, you've got the potential to open up that utility space with that kitchen, make a lovely open plan kitchen space as well. It is the personal property tour. All the details are in the link above. If you click on that, you get the details about the property and the all important price point. But actually location wise, this is fantastic. You're a few minutes drive, you're at Cameron Bridge train station. You're also the same, and you're at Leven train station. So you've got 2 stations on your doorstep that are taking you to Edinburgh and beyond. So your commutes are fantastic. You've also got the primary school literally a few steps away from the home, which is wonderful. And Diageo is literally a few minutes walk as well from here, and that's a great location if you're working here as well and raising your family. It's a great property for that. On top of that, you're a few minutes drive, you're at Leven Glen as well, so you've got that beautiful woodland walk area as well that you can enjoy with your family. And then you've got Leven High Street, again just a few minutes away, and that's offering you everything that you could need, from your bars, your pubs, your restaurants, your shops. It's got everything on your doorstep for you. On top of that, you also have that beautiful promenade, so you've got lovely walks along that beach as well, and that's got all that golden sand along there. You've got the swimming pool for the kids. Again, you've got the golf courses as well, so if you're outdoors and your golf course is your thing, that's brilliant. And you can walk along that beach and have some really lovely walks along the Fife Coastal Path. So location wise, it really does offer you a great lifestyle for your family. If it is of interest to you, you can message me here directly. Likewise, you can also have a chat with the team if you give them a call on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.